Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Pilot Downforce. And this is apparently a pen pressurized for all condition writing. So I guess it's supposed to be a competitor to maybe the Space Pen. So this particular one is a 0.7mm fine point. Let's take a look. For everyday and special project use, why pressurized, consistent writing at any angle, water resistant writing. A unique plunger system pressurizes the ink cartridge with each click. Durable, blah blah blah, other words. Alright, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. So let's see. Alright, so first of all, this is plastic. 100% every bit of this is plastic. Like, no doubt. Oh, wow. Wow, I did not like that. Alright, so this pen runs, it was like $8 on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. Alright, so you're supposed to, when you push this in, it's supposed to pressurize something. And then, so this is the Pilot Down Force Right Anywhere Pen. Alright. So it writes okay. Nothing amazing. I don't like this, by the way. I don't like the release here. It's just kind of weird. I don't care for it. But I think that's just a personal... I have rarely found a pen that has a clip release that I like. So you got that. It is 100% plastic. Like, it's super light. You can tell it's plastic. Alright, so let's see. Let's take a look at the innards. Okay. So I'm guessing that whenever you click on it, it pushes down on... There's like probably a little plunger that pushes down there and pushes this down farther to pressurize the ink a little more. It's okay, I guess. Nothing spectacular there. I would imagine, though, with the downforce thing, I would think you're going to need specialized refills, maybe. Probably so. Anyway, I'm not super impressed with this. The problem is, this pen is more expensive than a Fisher Space Pen refill. And what you can do is you can just get one of those Fisher Space Pen refills and stick it in a compatible pen. And I mean, like, they're Parker Jotter compatible with the little plastic adapter things that comes with all of them. So, I don't know. I mean, like, I just don't know if this one is particularly worth it. It seems like you have better options that aren't, you know, plastic. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have you tried the Pilot Downforce and like it? Don't like it? Don't understand why it's so plastic? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's any pens you think I should take a look at, let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.